Hello everyone and welcome to Blue Chip Investing. I'm your host Dave Reinhardt. Before we get started, I would like for you to please like our video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to our channel, you're helping us grow, and you're also going to become available to the new content. As it becomes available, you will get an email as new content becomes available. So with that being said, welcome to our newest video. In this video, we're going to be going over a potential trade that I may be executing within the next day or two. The chart that you are looking at right now is CenturyLink, call letters CTL. CenturyLink is a company that I've had a lot of success with. I've been very happy with my overall performance that I've had with CenturyLink. I think it is a great stock and it is a money-making machine. So what I have here for you is I have the CenturyLink's chart up right now, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this out a little bit further so that you can see a little bit better. So as we're looking here at CenturyLink normally trades in a pretty easy to understand pattern. 2250 has always been a good buying point for us, but with the news that has come out of CenturyLink and everything going on with CenturyLink, the stock has been rising a little bit, so now we're looking at different trading ranges. So I bought my original buy point on CenturyLink was 24, and as you can see today it was down a little bit over 2.5%, and it brought it down to 24.44. So we see right here, this line right here is our 200-day moving average. It's our simple moving average. And we can see that right now CenturyLink is looking like it is going to bump up against that pretty closely. Let's bring it in a little bit closer. So here we go, and I'm going to go ahead and let's get rid of that. So as you can see, right in this area right here is where our 200-day simple moving average is. And if you also notice, the last time that it dropped, it came right back to its 200-day moving average. So we see some pretty nice support along this moving average. Also, if we draw our Fibonacci retracement, on our Fibonacci retracement, we're going to be looking right here. It's telling us the support is right here around the 200-day moving average, which is also going to give us a small confirmation that we are thinking that this area is going to be a good support area for this stock. Now, if you'll notice on the other indicators, we don't have any clear-cut evidence that this stock is going to be turning around. However, when we look at it, we're still about 40 cents away from the potential support level being hit. So we are still looking at almost another 2% before the stock is down around that support level that we are looking for. So right now we can see that we've been looking to trade CenturyLink between low 24s to the high 25s. So a trading range of about $1.50. It's a very good trading range. It's been a stock that's been very good. Also, if you're not familiar with CenturyLink, CenturyLink has a great dividend. And excuse me while I try to find where it shows the dividend so that you can see it. And to tell you the truth, I do not know, but I do know off the top of my head it is almost a 10% dividend. It's a great dividend, and I typically like to hold this stock through the dividend. So we're looking at a strong pattern right here. We're seeing a stock that's going to be pushing up against that 200-day moving average. If we see the stock drop back to 24, even down into the 23.96 range, and then start to rebound, it'll be a good buy. I will be in this stock around 24 if it looks like it's going to rebound. I will watch it. I will not go into it as soon as it hits that range. I would like to see some signs of a trend reversal. Some people may ask you, well, why would you jump into a stock where it's potentially going to go lower? It could go really about as low as 2250 if it was going to continue hitting support levels. But at 2250, I feel very confident in the stock at that level. I'll write my cash secured puts, and I will continue to dollar cost average and make premium off the stock while I wait for it to come back. So right now, keep an eye on CenturyLink. Anytime that we're down around 24, if we can get something neutral showing us that the selling is stopping right around those levels, then we most likely have a good trade on our hands where we can potentially make a nice about $1 per share on the investment. If anybody has any questions on this video, feel free to send us a comment in the section below. Thank you again. I hope that you found this very informative and helpful. And once again, we will be watching CenturyLink over the next few days. For Blue Chip Investing, this is Dave Reinhardt signing off. Thanks again.